Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust default alert haptics on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but this is going to work the same on every iPhone and pretty much the same on every new actualization of the iOS. So, what are haptics? Haptics are a type of vibrations. When you get a notification or someone calls you, your phone vibrates a little. So these are called now haptics because this is not a vibration, but type of it, let's say. So if you want to change the default alert haptics, you want to go to the settings, then go to the sounds and haptics, and then go to the default alerts. And once you swipe up a little bit, you can go to the haptics, and then as you can see you have some options. So synchronize means that the haptics are going to be synchronized with the sound that you have chosen, and also you can choose from different types patterns of haptics that Apple gives us, and also you can select your custom one, or even you can create a new pattern by yourself. So we have another video on our channel about that, so be pleased to watch it and get to know how to create a new vibration. So I'm going to just set it to synchronize because, you know, this is the best for me. So yeah, once you have a tick next to a type of a vibration, the pattern, this means that this one is chosen right now. So from this time, this is going to be your pattern for haptics pattern for default alerts. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!